With every passing moment, life seems to get that a little bit more complicated. It's time to simplify your life. I'm Sam Dalby.
And I'm Tony Garay, and welcome to 5 Anita Street, Glenwood.
Situated in a quiet street, this quaint 4-bedroom family home is ideally positioned in close proximity to Glenwood Community Shopping Centre, Parklea Public School and public transport.
The home allows for peaceful relaxation thanks to the distinct floor plan. While the kids are watching TV in the lounge, you can be kicking your feet up in another part of the home with a good book.
Simplicity is at the heart of the best moments in life. Enjoy the backyard with family and friends on a Saturday afternoon, or kick back with the kids watching a movie. This home allows for functionality.
What a great opportunity to get back to the simple moments.
We look forward to meeting you soon.